In this application, we are using multiple modules. We are displaying these links from app module. Now I want to make this your word also clickable link. Let's see how we can do that. See here in app component.html file, we are having this link, and here we are using router link. Okay, now in this shade module, I have this not found component. In this HTML file, I want to make this your word as clickable link. Let's see how we can do that. Here we will use anchor tag. Here let's use router link. Navigate to home page. Here simply we can write / and save the changes. Go back to the browser. See here it is not a link, so it is not working now. Now let's try square bracket. Like this, but this is also not working. We are getting an error, can't bind to router link, because it's not a known property of anchor tag. We are using the same format in the app component.html file, but it is working, but it is not working in the shared module. Let's see what is the difference. Let's open this app routing module. See here in the imports array, we are using router module. So in the shared module, in the imports array, we have to use router module. Save the changes. See here the error is gone. Save the changes. See here we have the clickable link. We are navigated to home page. It works fine. Thanks for watching this.